Mana to esikoleni senze homework ye spelling. A is for early. B is for besta. C is for season. D is for Dikwamashu. E is for India. F is for physics. G is for Jesus. H is for ashes. I is for eyes. J is for general. K is for Cape Town. L is for
LOL.
L is for lol. M is for embrace. N is for knowledge. O is for awesome. P is for pushy passion. Q is for cute. R is for wrong. S is for psychology. S is for psychology. T is for teacher. U is for Europe. V is for VMLAS. X is for excuse me.
X.
Y is for why. Z is for Zulu.
Uzothola itotally. Lo uyayibona lento uyibhalayo. Thenjiwe uyangichaza kodwa mntana bonke hayi ngesinye isikhathi angimasi busas wenze njani. Kodwa hayi le uhamba nayo umntakwethu.
Ngiyabonga mama.